Hey you guys, it's Elle Leary, and I am going to introduce to you the Indigo cream. And this cream is really, it's so beautiful. You guys have to look at the color of this cream. It is just stunning. So what's really special about this cream is a lot of things, but this is a cream that if you have sensitive skin, if you have eczema, if you notice that you have very kind of delicate skin, this is the cream for you. It is very rich, it's very hydrating, it's very soothing, but many people that have that sensitive skin type are actually told that they can really only use very minimal products, and they can't usually use anti-aging products. So this one has got you covered, the Indigo cream. It's anti-aging as well as soothing and nourishing to the skin. So it does have colloidal oatmeal in there for those soothing effects. It also has Japanese indigo, and what that is, it's again very soothing, very calming. It's also been known to be an anti-inflammatory, and it is such a beautiful soothing color as well as soothing ingredients. And just so you know, yes, it is a beautiful blue color, but when you put it on your skin, it just melts right in and there is no blue cast. And I'm going to actually show you how to do that. I'm going to take off my makeup and I'll be right back. All right, so I have already double cleansed my skin. I have prepped with an essence, and now for application of the Indigo cream. And all you need is just a little pearl size amount on the gold spoon that comes on the top, just like our other moisturizers. And just take a little bit. And what I'll do is I will kind of work it a little bit into my hands. You don't need to, it's just honestly habit. And I'll just press it into a few places in my skin. And again, always bringing your skincare down your neck, because we want everything to be anti-aging and soothed and moisturized all over our skin and body. And then I just gently work this all over the face, and you can see how quickly it goes into the skin. And I work in upward motions, and I make sure I get all around the skin. It feels really, really lightweight. It feels very hydrating. It honestly has hardly any scent to it. It just feels really nice and soothing, and it feels rich, but it doesn't feel overly moisturizing. And sometimes whenever you have colloidal oatmeal in a product, especially at such a high percentage, it sometimes can feel a little bit tacky or gummy, and this one does not. So there we go. Indigo cream is on. I feel really refreshed and hydrated, and we are so excited for you guys to try this product. And thank you guys so much for being here with us today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.